Hey there everyone, and welcome back to Blinkside Engineering. Before you get all excited climbing that rooftop to install that shiny new solar panel, pump the brakes. There's one super important step that too many people forget, and skipping it could literally zap your dreams away. Yep, I'm talking about grounding. No, it's not like when your parents take your phone away. This is totally different.
So guys, the reason why I'm making this video is because I got a really bad shock from my solar panel when I was test running the panel during a thunderstorm. I mean, there was only flashes of lightning and all of a sudden the panel output a really high voltage that damaged my charge control. So I realized that I had made a really big mistake. If only I had grounded the panel, it wouldn't have happened. And so guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to build an effective earthing system to ground your solar panel with just household items. And so, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so that you will not miss out on any other amazing videos. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started.
Most solar panels are built with an aluminum frame, and they are mounted on a metal rack or a supportive structure. These metal parts are conductive, so if there's let's say a live wire touches the panel frame, all that electrical energy could travel through the metal and give someone a crazy shock. And if there's a nearby lightning strike, that electrical surge will be looking for a quick path to the ground. Without grounding, your system might just volunteer to be the path. So, how do we make a perfect grounding system to absorb all of that energy? So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hook up a wire to the metal frame of the solar panel. This is where we're going to hook up our earthing system. And so guys, for this project, we're going to use a metal rod. You can as well use a much longer rod to create a good bond with the earth. And next, we're going to need grounded charcoal. You can ground this down to a fine powder. That is just okay. And we're going to need table salt to create a strong bond with the earth. And also, you can as well use any kind of salt. That is just okay. And next, we're going to need a tungsten bulb so that we can test if the earthing system is accurate. So next, we're going to make a hole to insert the aluminum rod. And so guys, remember to make the hole wider than the metal you want to insert, and also make it deeper as well. And so guys, now that we're done with that, we're going to add water into the salt and mix it with the charcoal. So now that we're done, we're going to hook up a wire to the metal rod and then insert it into the hole. And now we're going to pour in the mixture of salt and charcoal into the hole as well. So after pouring that, we're going to stuff all that mixture into the hole. And by using a wood, I stuffed the mixture inside the hole. By doing this, you have created a really strong bond with the earth and the metal rod. And after doing all of that, I covered the hole with some sand. And so guys, to test if this setup is actually good, we are going to need an AC outlet. And this is also where we're going to need the tungsten bulb. And so guys, as you can see here, we have an output at the AC outlet. So now guys, what we're going to do is we're going to connect one of the terminals of the bulb to the earth that we just finished. And the other terminal of the bulb is going to go to the live of the socket outlet. And so guys, as you can see here, the light turns on to indicate that we have a solid connection. And also the light is turned on with its full brightness to indicate that the connection to the ground is solid. And so guys, all we need to do now is connect the ground of the solar panel to the grounding system we just created. So guys, I just want to ask, is this a good grounding system, or is there an advanced way we can ground our solar panel without getting any of our equipment damaged? So place your comments in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of our channel. And hit that like button as well. And yeah, goodbye.